from the station that's on your side. This is Channel 7 News at 5.
Arkansas cancer patients are getting more treatment options. Today, the state's first Proton Center receiving a key piece of equipment. A particle accelerator called Cyclotron was installed at the expanded UAMS Radiation Oncology Center. The 60-ton piece of equipment, worth about $20 million, will allow the center to provide proton radiation therapy to patients. It's an advanced form of radiation treatment that uses precisely focused protons to target cancer tumors. UAMS partnered with Arkansas Children's Hospital, Baptist Health, and Proton International to bring the groundbreaking technology to Arkansas.
Well, it brings a level of care in radiation therapy that does not exist in Arkansas, and so patients are presently having to leave the state to receive treatments for proton exposure, and so this will make health care specifically for radiation therapy more accessible to more Arkansans.
Construction on the Proton Center began in May of 2021, and they're expected to begin treating their patients there in September of 2023.